Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to practice some sounds. Let's start with sounds of letters we already know. What letter makes the T sound? T. Nice job. What letter makes the P sound? P. What letter makes the E sound? It's a tough one. Did you say E? Let's do one more. How about the OL sound? L. All right, today we're going to talk about two letters. When they come together, they make a new sound. Do you know which letters make the sh sound? If you don't already know, that's okay. We're going to learn it right now. The letters that make the sh sound are S, H. Now we know when S is by itself, it just makes the S sound. And when H is by itself, it makes the H sound. But when they're together with the S first and then the H, they don't say S, they say sh. What sound does SH make? Sh. That's right. All right, so let's think about some words that start with the sh sound. Let's try to sound one out. We have a sight word that starts with the sh sound. Can you read that word? This is the word she. Listen. She. She. Do you hear that sh sound in the beginning? Great. Let's try another one. All right. Let's think about this word. Let's start with sounding out the parts we know. I see the SH in the beginning. Remember, it's not S and H. When the S and the H are together, they make a new sound. Sh. So we know the first sound of this word is sh. Now we have the rest of the word to sound out. E says eh and D says d. So we know we have sh, eh, d. Let's try it faster. Sh, ed, shed. Do you hear the word? It's shed. Good job. Shed. Let's try another one. How about what is this word? In the beginning, I see the SH, so we know that says shh. What sound does the U make? And what sound does the T make? T. Okay, let's try sounding it out. Shh, t. Shh, t. Do you hear a word? Let's try it faster. Sh, t. Did you get the word shut? Nice job. Let's have you try one now. I'm going to write it down and then I want you to sound it out. Okay, see if you can sound out this one. Remember, I see the SH at the beginning, so we have to make that one sound. Do you remember what that sound is? Try and sound out the whole word. If you need more time, pause the video. Now we're going to sound it out together. Listen. Sh, I, p. Sh, I, p. Ship. Did you get the word ship? I bet you did. Nice job. All right, now we're going to try a challenge word here. I know when the S and the H are together, they make a new sound, sh. But did you know when two letters are the same, right next to each other in the word, they only make one sound. So instead of this saying oh, it just makes the sound oh one time. So with that information, let's see if you can sound out the word. So now we've got two blends, the beginning, sh, and the end, oh, but you have a sound in the middle. See if you can sound that word together. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. Let's try it together. Sh, oh. A little faster. Sh, oh. Really fast this time. Sh, oh. The word is shell. If you got it, give yourself a big pat on the back. Great job. All right, boys and girls, you did an awesome job sounding out words. I have one paper for you to look at today. When you find this paper, it'll be attached to the same lesson. I want you to try and challenge yourself by reading one or even all of the sentences on that page. If you get it, you can check the box, or if you're just reading it on your computer, you can know you did a great job and keep reading after that. All right, time to challenge those brains. Go see if you can read one of those sentences all by